Hello guys, welcome back to Armas Crypto together with me. Let's see currently what's happening in Bitcoin price. So this latest daily candle of Bitcoin price actually closed bullish. As I told you all yesterday in my yesterday's video that if the daily candle closed above this ranging, then we could see a possibility for Bitcoin price to continue until this previous high. It could make the high up to $75,000, and then onwards we could see a correction towards the downwards price side, which could be around 65,000 or 61,000. Because I have told you all in yesterday that we have two CME gaps which need to be filled before Bitcoin makes the next big move. So whoever haven't watched my latest video, please do go and watch the latest video because I have give the detailed explanation of how Bitcoin price could move in the coming weeks, and also since there's going to be the new talk between Iran and US for the deal, and that will also impact the crypto market as well. And currently Bitcoin price is trading around 72.7 thousand dollars, and so far for this weekend, since the start of the weekend, it's still the market is going kind of slow, and there's no any big move yet because the deal between US and Iran, the talk still haven't fully finished yet, and they haven't have the talk ongoing yet. And after the deal or after the talk between the both country ends, then only we could see high volatility movement to the crypto market, overall crypto market, for the coming up week. And next, let's see how XRP is going. Currently, XRP is in a very cheap sale price because previously it went up until $3.6. That was around July 2025. And after the peak price of XRP around $3.6, the all time high, then it drastically dropped until the low was until $1.1. It was around February 2026. And after that onwards, XRP price went up until $1.6, and then it was doing some ranging, and then again it went up around $1.6, and then it's still doing the sideways. So for now, what my point of view of the XRP price could happen in the coming weeks, in case XRP break below this horizontal line, which is around $1.27, then there's high possibility for XRP to go until $1, which could be the lowest for 2026. But if XRP price able to break above this level, which is, let me show you the line above here, above this price value, which is around $1.46, then I am expecting a continuation for the XRP price, for the XRP price to be like this: breakout above $1.46, and then a bit of retracement here, and then it could come until $1.6, and then we need a new breakout for XRP price to continue the uptrend. So that is how XRP price could move if it breaks in the uptrend side, if it breaks like this. But if it breaks below this horizontal line, which is around $1.27, then we're going to see more drops for XRP price. And since XRP is very cheap, it's still around $1. Do not miss this opportunity, guys. You should stack up XRP as well because it will be one of the main crypto coin in the US for them to be used for all most of the transaction in the very soon. So this could be the next coin to boom, same as Ethereum, Solana, and XRP could be the next lineup. So do not miss this cheap sale opportunity. So yesterday before the weekend, if you guys see, the dollar index have closed around 98.6, which is still it is very bearish because the CPI news came out as worse than expected, which makes the dollar to be very weak. So for the coming up week, based on the talks between US and Iran, what the deal is going to be about, and that is when I could predict the next move of how the dollar index is going to move, and at the same time how this dollar index movement and also the deal between US and Iran is gonna cause the next move of Bitcoin price in the market. So it all based between these both countries, and let's hope this war to end very soon so that we can see Bitcoin bull run for 2026 to start very soon. But I think it's already the time is coming up very close. We could see Bitcoin to have its bull run by end of 2026. Let's hope for the best. But meanwhile, let's see how this talk between US and Iran gonna go. And I will see you on the next video. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button, guys.